Hi everyone, welcome back to Great Garden. It's always a joy to see you here. How have you been lately? Today, I've got a super useful tip to share. A natural, budget-friendly orchid care trick, using simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. In my hand is 1 liter of warm water and a familiar ingredient, baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate. It's a natural substance, safe for humans, and easily rinsed off with water. With 1 liter of water, I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. I add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Recently, a viewer shared that banana peels are often coated with wax or pesticides, which can affect the quality of natural fertilizer if not properly treated. That's why, before using them, I soak the banana peels in a baking soda solution for about 10 minutes to remove dirt, bacteria, and any residual chemicals. Baking soda also helps remove the wax coating on fruits, which is often used to keep them fresh longer and give them a shiny appearance. After thoroughly cleaning them, I feel confident using the banana peels as natural fertilizer for my orchids. As many people know, banana peels are high in potassium, a nutrient that's extremely important for root development. Especially in early fall, this is the perfect time to add potassium to orchids and other plants to help strengthen their root systems before the cold winter season. I cut the banana peels into small pieces. You can use scissors or a knife, whichever you prefer. Next, I pour the warm water over the banana peels and let the mixture sit in a dark, warm place for about 12 hours. After 12 hours, the water will change color, a sign that the nutrients from the banana peels have been released into the water, creating a natural banana tea for your plants. The next step is to strain out the banana peels, keeping only the nutrient-rich banana water. This clear liquid is what you'll use to water your plants. In addition to banana peels, I also add another important ingredient, lemon juice. I use half a lemon and squeeze out the juice. Lemons contain natural acids, something orchids really love, along with plenty of essential vitamins and minerals. The lemon juice helps flush out salt buildup around the roots, making it easier for the plant to absorb nutrients. If you found these orchid care tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really motivates me to keep sharing more great tips with you. I use 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice per liter of water. And to keep this fertilizer mix clean, I always strain it thoroughly to prevent any organic bits from falling into the pot and causing root rot. Once everything is ready, I add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. And just like that, the all-natural fertilizer mix is ready to use. Some of my orchids are grown in a closed pot system, meaning the pots don't have drainage holes. I love this method because it requires less maintenance and retains moisture well. I use banana tea to care for my orchids, watering the roots to provide nutrients, and gently wiping the leaves to keep them clean and give them a healthy shine. Orchids are clean-loving, air-sensitive plants that are highly susceptible to fungal diseases. That's why properly wiping the leaves and watering the roots are 2 key steps to keeping them healthy, lush, and more likely to bloom. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Then, I pour the banana tea into the pot and let the plant soak for about 30 minutes. After that, I discard the excess water, leaving about 5 centimeters, around 2 inches, at the bottom of the pot to maintain humidity. I use this fertilizer once a month. For the next watering, I use plain water to keep things balanced. On average, I water my orchids 3 times a month, but this can vary depending on the humidity and temperature in your growing environment. If you're a beginner and not sure when to water your orchids, just keep an eye on the color of the roots. When the roots turn a silvery white color, that's a clear sign the plant needs watering. Go ahead and soak the plant for 30 minutes. After soaking the plant in banana tea for about 30 minutes, I begin wiping the leaves clean. While the plant is absorbing nutrients through its roots, it's the perfect time to care for the leaves. Wiping the leaves with banana tea not only removes dust and pesticide residue, but also delivers nutrients directly through the leaf surface. After cleaning, you'll notice the leaves look greener and glossier. Don't forget to thoroughly wipe the undersides of the leaves too. That's where pests and diseases often like to hide. At the end of the process, I take the orchid out of the water. If you found these orchid care tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really motivates me to keep sharing more great tips with you. The banana peel water isn't just for watering. It can also be used as a misting solution. Regular misting helps deliver nutrients through the leaves, boosts humidity, and keeps the leaf surface clean. You can mist once a week. In summer, it's a good idea to increase the frequency, while in winter, you can cut back or simply wipe the leaves with a damp cloth. Care for your plant with love, and it will reward you with lush green leaves, strong roots, and beautiful blooms all year round. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this simple yet effective orchid care tip using natural ingredients. If you try it out, let me know how it works for your plants in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Great Garden so you won't miss out on more easy, eco-friendly gardening tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Love.